Hi guys, today I want to show you how to trace your picture with just one click using Photoshop. Let us go through the process. Yeah, so we have our application open. The next thing you would do is open the image you want to trace. Yeah, we have our image here. We want to remove this background with just one click. So how do we go about this? The first thing you need to do is unlock your image, unlock your layer. Yes, after unlocking the layer, what next should we do? We have this option here where we have the quick action. Click on it, then you're going to have remove background. So what should we do? Click on remove background. Can you see that? But if you realize that probably you are losing some part of your images, you want to make some extra detail work, what should you do? Double click on your layer mask. Then you can now do some little effects in order to see what you need to do. Let's assume we want to work on this part. Click on it, click on your brush tool, then add or remove. You can see that this ant is not properly done, so click on add, then fill it back. So once you are done doing what you need to do, zoom out in order to confirm if your image is properly traced. You can increase the transparency to know where you need to pay attention to. Then once you are done, click on OK. Then you are good to go. Save your design. You can either save as PNG or save as PSD. Let me save my image as PNG. Do I want to retain the image quality? Do I want to reduce it? Whatever you want to do, select the option and press OK.